Hello everyone, my name is Adam Ross Nelson, and if we haven't already met yet, I'm a data scientist. On the screen behind me is a live demonstration or a recorded demonstration, time-lapsed, where I go to the US Department of Education website and I use point-and-click methods to download 6 years of data related to higher education in the United States. I also use point-and-click methods in order to assemble those 6 years of data into a single data file, what we would call a panel data set. The purpose of recording this video and also recording my actions both on screen and then also actually recording my actions on the computer and on the mouse is to measure how much time it takes to compile these 6 years of data. I recently wrote an article that describes how you can automate the collection of these data and then also the assembly of these data into a panel data set. And then I got questions. Why would you take the time to write the code when you can just use point and click? Wouldn't point and click be faster? Well, the answer to that question is probably not. Point and click is probably going to take you more time than writing out code to do this for you. Even if you're new to programming or new to statistics, writing out code for this purpose is going to save you time in the short term and the long term. In this demonstration and in my experiment, it took me 32 minutes. It took me over 32 minutes to download all 6 of these data files and then compile them into a single data file. Based on that experiment, I extrapolate if I wanted to do 2 survey files for 6 years of data, that would be essentially 12 data files combining into one. That's going to take me over an hour, approximately 65 minutes. Now let's assume that I wanted to double the number of years. I want to go from 6 years to 12 years. That'll take me over 2 hours. I'm looking at least 130 minutes. Ultimately, I argue that taking the time to write code to do this task for yourself will save time, it'll guard against error, it'll add rigor, and it'll promote reproducibility. I'll put a link in the video description to an article that talks more about this. Last thing to mention here is that this channel is for current and aspiring data professionals who are looking to enter and level up in the field. If you think that content will be useful to you, I hope you'll consider hitting subscribe and also the bell button so you'll find out when more videos become available. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, I hope you had a little bit of fun, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Don't forget, you're more ready than you think you are. Hit subscribe, check out these other videos, and let's connect. I look forward to being in touch.